Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Beaches Negril Resort and Spa. Now this particular category is a tropical beachfront walkout concierge, and it comes in both a king and 2 double variety. Let me show you the room. So we walk in the room, we're gonna head right around the corner to the bathroom area. First up, we're gonna look at the storage. You've got your closet here, extra towels, blankets, pillows. You're also gonna have those comfy robes because it's a concierge level room. You're gonna have your safe big enough for a laptop, iron and ironing board, as well as a hair dryer. Right across, you'll find your large vanity. Underneath, you're gonna have your scale. They also have a nice little step stool for the littlest ones. You've got your magnifying mirror, a nice big backlit mirror. In addition, you're gonna find those full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa. Now keep in mind, if you wanna see the Red Lane Spa here on site or any space in this beautiful resort, including the beach and that amazing water park, make sure you check out our full resort tour. Just through this door, you've got the toilet tucked over to the corner, and you're gonna see that you have a combo. I love that they have that, a tub and shower. I know traveling with my daughter when she was little, having a tub was a huge benefit. Now we're back in the bedroom space. You've got a large king size bed in here. On one side, you're gonna find your lamp with USB charger. On the other side, you have another one of those, Bluetooth speaker, and you're also gonna have your phone. You have a fan up above. I love that they have that in all the sleeping areas. And then you're gonna have your large flat panel TV. It is interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the resort, in addition to watching television. You have a little bit of storage underneath and a small butler's pantry right here. You've got your coffee maker, tea kettle. Of course, they'll provide coffee and tea and replenish them daily. You also down below are gonna have your mini fridge come stocked with water, sodas, and juices. Now keep in mind, being a concierge level room, you're gonna have a special check-in process in the lounge, and of course you can utilize those concierge services throughout your entire stay here. You also have access to full-size liquor bar in the room if you'd like, and beer and wine that can be stocked in the fridge. You just have to ask upon arrival. You also have a microwave, a really fantastic touch for the littlest travelers. Now, being that this is the king variety, you're gonna have a trundle bed over here. So you've got a day bed up top. Of course, they'll make that up when they do their daily maid service in the morning, and they'll turn it down for you in the evening. They'll also set up the trundle bed underneath. On your patio, you're gonna have a table and 2 chairs. I also love that they have a drying rack right around the corner. You can dry off your suits when you come up from that incredible water park, the beach, or the pool area. Now this is a walkout. I love that you can head right on down and enjoy everything in the resort. You can avoid the stairs or elevators throughout the resort as well. You can enjoy it and then head right back up into your room, and your key card will work on this side as well. Now when you're ready to book this room or any at Sandals or Beaches, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, group, or wedding party at an incredible value.